Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a duct tape bookmark. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have some duct tape, and we're gonna make a bookmark out of this. There are a few different options, but essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a piece of duct tape, probably about 6 inches long, give or take, and you're gonna go ahead and cut it off. You can rip it or cut it, it's completely up to you. I'm just gonna take some scissors, try and get it to be relatively straight. It just makes for a cleaner looking bookmark. You're gonna place it with the adhesive side facing up, and I'm gonna carefully get my fingers off of there. So I have the adhesive side facing up. I don't know why I'm doing this to move it, because I should have just left it. I don't wanna get my fingers stuck to it again. Okay, then you're gonna cut another piece of duct tape, and you want this piece of duct tape to be slightly longer than this one, or slightly shorter. You don't want it to be the exact same size. You want it to be slightly longer or slightly shorter. So I have my length right here. I mean, as long as it's like an inch or two longer or shorter, you should be fine. I have my length. I'm gonna cut it, okay? And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna place this on top of that duct tape with the adhesive sides touching, but make sure that it is sticking out on either side. And try and line up the edges as much as you can. It just makes for an overall cleaner look. Okay, just like that. Get it nice and firmly in place, and then you can go and you can peel the duct tape up. So you can see we have some excess sticking out on either side. We're gonna take that excess, we're gonna fold it over nicely. Try and get it as straight as possible like that. Okay, just like this. Fold it over nicely just like that. So what we have here is the beginning of our book cover. We're actually almost done. But what happened is on the sides here, there's probably some adhesive sticking out of place. So what we need to do now is we need to you have two options. You can actually trim the edge, okay? You can trim the edge and that would work. Or what you can do is you can put another piece of duct tape on either side. I like to put another piece of duct tape because, as you can tell, I love duct tape. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get another piece of duct tape, okay? And what I'm gonna do with this piece of duct tape is I'm gonna make it, once again, slightly longer. Both of them are gonna be slightly longer. I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do. So now I'm gonna get this piece of duct tape like this. It is slightly longer. I'm gonna cut it like that. I'm gonna place this piece of duct tape, adhesive side facing down, about halfway overlapping, like that, okay? As you can see right there, okay? And once again, adhesive side is facing down. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. So once again, same thing for the other side. And like I said, it can be too long. It should be too long, because that will allow you to have the extra adhesive to just prevent anything from being sticky. Because you don't want the duct tape sticking to the pages of the book. So now we're gonna place this one overlapping that last one that we just put in place, okay? We're gonna go and we're gonna peel it up. And as you can see right now, we're gonna use these pieces of duct tape to overlap the edges that were sticky. So I'm gonna get this piece over here, and I'm gonna carefully fold it over like this, okay? Just like that. And then I'm going to get this piece right here, and I'm gonna carefully fold it over. Now, the benefit of doing it this way, I'll show you, is that you can actually see where the original bookmark ends right here. We're gonna take our scissors, okay? And we're actually gonna cut just after, so just after that original bookmark piece right there, just after it, okay? So basically, I take my scissors and I'm gonna cut, I don't wanna cut into the bookmark, just after it, because we want just about a 1/16 of an inch of adhesive to press down into place. So as you can see right here, this adhesive is sticking together. This is sticking together right over here. This little bit that's exposed, we just roll it over like that, press it down into place, and you have completed that side. Same thing with the other side, just cut it off so that you have just the tiniest bit of adhesive exposed to roll over, just like that, okay? And just once again, this adhesive on these two ends here are sticking together. This just rolls over like that, okay? And you want to make sure there's no sticky parts remaining. And you've created your duct tape book cover just like that. What you can do if you really want to is you can cut just a small piece of duct tape to go over this side. So I'll show you right now what I would do in this situation, just because, I really want to make it nice, okay? I'll show you exactly what I would do. I'm going to cut just a small piece. Just bear with me. I know you're just looking at my foot there, but I would cut a small piece of duct tape just to go over there. So right here, what I would do is I'd cut just literally a small piece of duct tape, probably like this, okay? So you want it to be not the full width of the duct tape, a small piece like that, okay? And with this piece, I'm gonna cut it up into two, okay? Just like this, okay? And with one of these, I'm going to place it over that that piece that was just a little bit sticky that I rolled over, just like that. You can place it over there nicely, and that really ensures that you're not going to get any stickiness. You don't have to do this, and you can make it look a lot better, but it's just an added precaution to make sure it doesn't stick to the pages of your book. And that's it. That is how to make a duct tape bookmark, an easy peasy, super duper easy peasy tutorial. Literally, that's the easiest version of a tutorial that you can have. A super duper easy peasy tutorial is like the easiest tutorial that you can find. So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.